gained a bit and some of my clothes don't fit. So I'm on a health journey. I've decided I'm on a health journey. I'm gonna try no oil, no sugar cake from a pot. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are back with another video. I've decided I'm gonna do a week in my life. So today I've just come back from church and I am feeling fantastic. Outfit of the day. If you can't dress good for church, where can you dress good for? I am dressed to meet the King of all kings and Lord of all lords. Can I just say, church today was mind-blowing. Like, I'm still in absolute awe of everything that happened at church today, and I'm gonna actually put the description down below. And if you're interested in money, in building wealth, if you're interested in doing business and finance God's way, you need to watch that video. As in, you actually need to watch that video. It will change your mindset. And one of the things that Apostle was talking about in the sermon was about how why some people are poor, and that is all explained in the message. So please watch it, because honestly I need to go back and watch it again because it was that amazing. But anyway, today is Sunday and I typically get home, either heat up lunch because it's mostly already cooked, and then I nap because Sunday after church nap is the one. But today is a little different and I'm really excited. I've got some people coming over who are going to cook for us. They are showcasing their pots and how amazing their pots are. So they're coming in about 15 minutes. They'll be here, they're gonna make dinner and show us all of what their pots do, and maybe hear a bit more about that. I'll see if I can vlog, if they let me. I will vlog that and showcase what they're doing, and then I get to put my feet up and relax whilst dinner is being made for me. And also, I actually do need new pots in my house because it's kind of shocking, my pot situation at the moment. So I'm really looking forward to that. Right now I'm going to, are you guys hungry? Yeah. You hungry? What do you want to eat? Okay. Well, I'm going to quickly change, get into something more comfortable, make myself some tea, and then make my kids something to eat and wait for my visitors. And then also, I'm on I've decided I've gained a bit of weight. I've been on holiday quite a bit this month, this last 6 months. I was in America and I was in Namibia, and then I was in Zimbabwe. So, it's not parcel arrived? No, it hasn't. So, I've put on a bit of weight. I've gained a bit and some of my clothes don't fit. So I'm on a health journey. I've decided I'm on a health journey and I need to lose a bit of weight. So I'm gonna document my journey, because maybe if I document it, I'll be so embarrassed that the world is seeing me that I won't give up. And maybe there are others who also want to lose some weight in time for Christmas and the New Year. So if there's anyone else, please let me know so I don't feel so alone in this journey. But Sister Tendy's a personal trainer, so she's hooking me up. So I'm her test dummy. I mean, she's hooking me up. So I've sent her my measurements, my weight, my food. So she's going to do a plan for me. So this is an exercise plan and a fitness plan and a food plan, kind of. Guys, shh. So I'm going to be starting that and get my steps in, drinking more water, and just basically trying to lose weight. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So today is like my reset. Mama, take off this. Going to be doing 10,000 steps a day, and then whatever fitness program she gives me, and then I'll be documenting my results. Yeah. I will have results, so I will document those. So I'm looking forward to that. I've also ordered some protein because protein is important. So I've ordered protein, whey protein, and then I've also ordered like some pre-workout as well for when I go and work out. So yes, that's the update. Now to just take my child to the toilet and update you guys soon. So it's been confirmed my meal plan will be out today, and I've also just received a package from Amazon. Next day delivery. You're a legend. I will be showing you what protein and pre-workout I use whilst my kids fight in the background. So bulk pre-workout is what I use when I'm going to the gym, just for that added bit of energy. And then salted caramel, pure whey protein. Anybody who knows me knows that I love salted caramel, so this is going to be amazing. So I'll put like a scoop of this in my porridge along with some natural yogurt and some chia seeds, and then also maybe like a protein shake during lunch, like during my lunch hour if I'm missing protein, because protein is important. I'm yet to see how much protein I'm supposed to take a day, but we're ready. Okay, we're ready. Now I was gonna get, and I will still get, I have a walking pad where I just walk and do my steps when I'm at home, I'm watching something or I'm listening to something, and I'm at home because it's England and it's getting really dark. So I have a walking pad. However, it broke like last week all of a sudden. So I'm really sad about that. I needed to get a new one. And I was gonna get one. But I need to like dispose of the old one first before I can get a new one. So I need to get a walking pad to get my 10k steps in. Otherwise, I actually just won't leave the house and get them done because it's cold. So walking pad loading. Like right now, it's 4:15 and I've done 2,200 steps. And I still need to get my steps in. Whereas typically, I'll just go upstairs and put something on and then just start walking as I get my steps in. And it's so easy. So we'll see. I'm ready. I'm ready for the challenge. I like a challenge. I also have my trusted water bottle, which is going to be my best friend. 2 of these a day. I actually don't know how much this is. Is it 1 liter? Anyway, 2 of these a day. And we are on it. I've got my chicken. I don't like chicken breasts. So I've got chicken thighs. That'll be my source of protein along with like mince. And one thing about this, I can't just eat broccoli and chicken. And I'm grateful that my trainer knows that and they've put a plan that I can actually do. Because I feel like one thing that people do is like restrict themselves so much to the things that they can't eat that it's not sustainable. And one thing I'm doing is being sustainable in my approach because it's long lasting and I actually want to stick to it. So I'm excited and I'm still waiting for our lovely guests to come. So in the meantime, I'm going to pack our protein away and just prepare for tomorrow. I'd like to prepare the night before for the week. So I have my planner, which I'll show you. And I'll just plan for the week, what I need to do, any appointments, any meetings, any things that my children are doing, anything outstanding. I plan the night before because I just find it easier that way and I know what I'm doing and I feel ready to go come Monday, because if I don't, I'll get to Monday and I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Whereas if I've organized and I'm mentally prepared for the week, then I get stuff done, and I like to get stuff done. I like to be productive. So yeah. Introduce yourself. Who are you and what are you doing?
Okay, my name is Future and Silly here, my business partner. We are from Salad Master and today we are going to cook 3 new courses.
Yay!
The dinner today for you and your family. And now at the moment we are cooking chicken without oil, without salt in this lovely Salad Master electric skillet. What does electric skillet do? What does it do? It roasts. So we can roast in here and we can bake in here. Yes. It's like a mini oven. Yes. It's a mini oven. Yes. You don't need oven anyway. You can actually do what you do in the oven with electricity.
Okay.
So this is what we are going to do. Put our chicken in there. Did you put oil?
The chicken is cooking.
Okay.
And the rice has been put on the pot. This is 1 cup of rice. And it's supposed to feed a family of 6 apparently with 1 cup of rice. I don't know if I believe that, but we're going to have to see whether 1 cup of rice will feed 6 people.
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to. This is our food processor. When they started Salad Master in 1946, they started with this food world farmers food processor. It comes into 2 parts. Easy to fit. When you want to put it in the cupboard, it comes with 5 cones. So it's like a grater.
This was one of my favorite things from before. I remember this.
It's for free, you know. It's for free. Easy to put. It cuts 250 different shapes. So, are you into salads, madam?
I am.
Okay. So this one they get it for free. You serve 50% of your time in the kitchen. You see, they say one rotation is like 4 shape cutting.
Wow.
You see how fast is it?
Seconds. Seconds. Easy. That is very easy. I like. My motto is work smart, not hard. So I like things like this. Kukwe.
The same cooker.
So everything in the same thing. No oil. No water. No salt. Okay. I think you can turn it on now. I'm gonna try no oil, no sugar cake from a pot. We'll see. Chocolate sponge mix. Just add eggs and water. The chocolate cake is going to have cucumbers and cabbage, white, just white, and carrots, and apple, and celery in the chocolate cake.
Yes.
Live.
Yes. Yeah, want to eat healthy.
Chocolate cake.
Especially for the kids when they don't want vegetables.
Chocolate cake and cucumbers and cabbage.
White.
Wow, I look forward to it.
So I'm ready to eat.
The chocolate vegetable cake.
Where are we now? You are eating alone.
Now, next one, plan for the week is